As you guys probably got from the title, I went to Las Vegas a few days ago, and we actually stayed in Vegas, Hotel Paris, and then we took a helicopter to Grand Canyon, which you will see later, as well as visited Death Valley. But this is a hotel with fountains in Vegas, and we went over the whole Vegas Strip. It was pretty fun, got to explore a lot of different places, it was exciting. This was our hotel. It's called Paris, and it actually has an Eiffel Tower that's half of the size of the original one, as well as Grand Opera and the Arc. It was amazing out there.
And finally, it's me in the video. We are in Las Vegas. Look at this. We're staying in Hotel Paris. Paris. There's an Eiffel Tower and Galeria Lafayette in our hotel, and the Arc. Pretty awesome. So right now we're just waiting for our shuttle to pick us up, and we're going on a helicopter ride. Hopefully. There has been some rain, so that might affect it, but if not, we're taking a helicopter to freaking Grand Canyon, you guys, and then we're going to Death Valley. We're gonna have a picnic with like champagne and fruits. I'm so thrilled. It's gonna be awesome.
We were in a huge rush to get into the helicopter because we were afraid that it will leave without us. It was really loud out there. My friends apparently are afraid of height and flights, so I don't know why they decided to take a helicopter, but for me it was a great experience. We got into a helicopter and flew to Grand Canyon. It took us about 30 minutes to get there. As we were flying, the pilot was explaining to us how the Grand Canyon was formed, and apparently it's due to erosion and then different movements of plates on Earth. On the video right now you can see a water basin, which is the largest one on the west coast, and not only Nevada and Las Vegas are nourishing from it, but also California and Los Angeles, because we're so limited in water due to really hot weather and drought. So that's where the water is stored, but if there was no rain coming in and bringing water here, this water will only last for 2 years for all of us. Before we got in the helicopter, we had to submit our weight parameters because it really mattered on whoever will sit in different seats. And at the front they put all the heavier people, and all the lighter people went on the back, and everyone had a seat specifically assigned to them. When we landed inside of Grand Canyon, I saw this view that was so incredible and magnificent. I was just amused by the power of nature that created this. Out there we also had a little picnic, and we were served some champagne, chips, sandwiches, apples. And then unfortunately we had to leave extremely fast because it started raining crazy.
Right now we're in the hotel called Bellagio, and we're going to Circus du Soleil soon, and all these flowers are fresh. It's incredibly beautiful out here.
Every hotel in Las Vegas has a theme. This one specifically is like Venezia in Italy, and then there's another hotel that was like Athens, the Caesar Palace. It was all like Roman Empire vibes. Our hotel is related to France, and then there is a hotel that's totally Japanese-like and like Chinese style. It was insightful to walk around Vegas Strip because the architecture of the hotels is beautiful, as well as different techniques that they use to attract tourists.
We're on the streets of Venice right now. It totally looks like we're outdoors, but in reality we're indoors, which is crazy because the clouds are moving too. Looks amazing.
After we've had a few drinks and gambled in the casinos in Vegas, in the morning we headed out to Death Valley, which is partly located in Nevada state, but mostly in California, and the landscape out there is just amazing.
Look at this, guys. We're at the Devil's Golf Course and it is really weird and unusual. Rock formations out here covered in salt. So like chocolate ice cream looking. Guys, we are at the Devil's Golf Course in California, Death Valley. Look at this, it's like I'm on the Mars or the moon, whatever you prefer. This is all salt rock formations. I just tried some salt, it's really salty obviously, and yeah, quite unusual. We are at the moon, or to be exact, known as Death Valley.